Hello, this is Far East Survival. I haven't uploaded a video in a long time. It's because I've been very busy, and since YouTube censored one of my videos regarding the use of some chemical to kill viruses during the COVID times, I was kind of upset, so I stopped recording. Anyway, I've moved on to doing some woodworking as well as other leather work. This is something I created in my shop. This is a Chuckbox. It's a wooden box, portable camp kitchen that you can take with you. You can store this permanently in your van or put this in the back of your truck or your trunk, and you could keep stuff in here. This is a 2-burner gas range. You can see it fits perfectly in there. And on the bottom, you can put, like pans and large bowls, utensils. I put this little ledge here so that things won't slide out. As you can see, I left a gap between here and here, so you can stand up tall items, from here to this ledge. So there's a magnetic lock on the bottom. Shuts the door. As you can see, it's a great fit, and that's how it's secured in place. This is made out of plywood. This door in the front is half inches. The sides are 3/4 inches. The shelves are 3/4 inch. Shelving is 1/4 inch. And this is just the bamboo top. The dimension of this is 16 inches wide, 24 inches long, and 17 inches high. So this is the Chuckbox portable camp kitchen. And sorry I don't have a make video. That's kind of a pain in the butt for me to do. I enjoy the process of making things, not necessarily recording them. But if you have any questions, just send me a comment below and I'll try to answer them for you. Thanks a lot. Take care. See you soon. If you like this, please subscribe and like. Thank you. Bye.